We like to believe we've evolved beyond primitive behavior, beyond the need to fight for survival and dominance. But the same human code that governed humans in the past still runs quietly in modern society. When I was in the military, I saw it everywhere. Status and dominance were measured in combat roles, deployments, rank, and awards. The closer you were to danger, the higher you stood in the invisible order. The more interesting a job is, the higher its perceived status. It wasn't written anywhere, but many perceived this to be true. Years later, I stepped into a university. Different world, but the same psychology. Now the status was built with degrees and knowledge. The perceived elite were no longer those with rank or deployments, but those who had proof of intellect and prestigious titles, whether it's medals or diplomas. We're still chasing the same thing: identity, a sense of significance in a crowded world. Every conversation, every career change, every social media post, it's all a quiet declaration. This is who I am, and this is why I matter. And when that identity feels threatened, the need to prove it becomes stronger. From an evolutionary lens, it's a survival strategy. We create hierarchies not only out of fear of being invisible, but also out of a desire to secure resources for survival and pursue potential opportunities. We climb these hierarchies by leveraging aspects of ourselves, such as our careers, prestigious titles, age, life experience, intelligence, physical appearance, and beauty. Truly confident individuals don't need to establish a hierarchy. They are self-secure. They form alliances rather than engage in unhealthy competition or foster feelings of jealousy. They build authority by showing rather than telling.